Hello everyone and welcome back to Matchbox Memories. I hope you're having a fantastic holiday season. Today we're going to have a look at these two Christmas packs. I'm not sure what's in either of these packs. I've never unboxed them before. I bought these both in auction a few months ago and I thought I'd hold off till the season to open them up. And we shall do so and see what's inside of these packages. So without any further ado, let's have a look at the packages themselves. This first one says MBX vehicle in each box, and it says Handy Manny. Definitely a character I'm not too familiar with. I'm not sure who Handy Manny is. It might be a cartoon character of sorts, so these vehicles might be themed as such. Yeah, most likely that's what it is. It says Handyman. You can see the back, and as you can see, this is from 2009. It is part of the Disney network, licensed by Disney, Mattel, and I'm guessing these are some of the characters that are part of this cartoon. So there's the first box, and then the second box. Okay, this second box here says Secret Santa cars. Doesn't seem to be themed in any particular, with any particular characters. It says each gift box contains one Matchbox vehicle, so we can expect to see 3 vehicles. And the boxes are basically gift wrap. That's the livery on there. And this one is from 2001, so very, very old, coming up on 25 years. No kids got the opportunity to open these boxes for a very, very long time, and this big kid here is just about to open them up. So give me a second while I figure out how to unbox these, and we'll have a look at the vehicles. Alright, so I've taken it out of the initial packaging. I really had to butcher it to get it out, to cut it across, and then pull it apart. So let's unbox these vehicles together. Here's the first one. This is a quick look at the box itself. Seems like a normal weight for a Matchbox vehicle. Let's see what this is. Feels like a boat or something. Oh, look at that. It says H49. This is hard to read. It says hydroplane. Definitely a Matchbox vehicle that I'm not too familiar with, but there it is. Not sure how I feel about that one, but lots of details. Definitely not a licensed vehicle, but there's the first of the 3 boxes. Alright, next let's have a look at the blue one. These are completely random. I have no idea what's inside of any of these. Hoping it's a slightly better vehicle. This one seems quite light. Let's see what we have. Oh, it's a motorcycle. It's a little bit better. There it is, guys. I'm not sure what this motorcycle is called. I don't know if you can read that, but there it is. I think it stands, which is nice. Certainly like the motorcycle more than the hydroplane or whatever that was called. And the last box. Let's hope that this one's more exciting than the first 2 vehicles. Seems like it's got a little bit more weight than the first 2. It definitely does. It's just another fantasy vehicle. Let's have a look. Oh no, this one, yeah, it is. It's a fantasy vehicle. This one's definitely a lot better. It is the tow truck. I actually collect this casting. It's called the wreck truck. I actually feel like I have it, and I think that's, no, I don't know if that's a chase model. Sometimes when they have the writing on the window, it is a chase model, so I'm not sure if this is a chase model or just a regular model, but there it is. And now we'll unbox this set. So the set we just unboxed was the box from 2001. I would say the cars are somewhat underwhelming. Let's see what this second set's like. So there's the packaging. Definitely lots of changes to the packaging. And once again, this is the Handy Manny Christmas packs from 2009, and let's open them up and see what's inside them. Let's start off with the green one. Okay. Definitely, it's still a fantasy vehicle, but definitely a bit nicer than the first set. I think can appreciate this one a little bit more. This one's a 4x4 fire truck. I feel I have other versions of this particular vehicle in my collection. This one's definitely new to me. There it is. And then the last box. Let's see what's in here. Oh, that's actually quite nice. So this is an emergency rescue 4x4 made in Thailand. And there's the vehicle. No details at the front. Side livery. Details of the back are missing as well, but it's got all these plastic bits and bobs. Good set of tires. Nice little vehicle. But once again, all fantasy vehicles. Tell me how you feel about it. I got these for a song, couple of bucks for each of these, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna open them up during the holiday season and see what they're all about. A little bit underwhelming in terms of what was inside of them, but you can't really complain too much when you've just paid a couple of bucks for each of them sets. So anyways, I hope you guys had a fantastic 2025. I've certainly had a really good year. The channel's done really, really well. So thank you for all your support. I hope you have a fantastic 2026, and I look forward to bringing many, many more videos to you in 2026. Thank you again.